is big.
Barry?
It's gotta be. Shit. Oh, come on, make it tired. Come in, come in.
Ooh, I heard something.
Oh shit, that boat. Fuck! Oh shit.
Got him?
Oh, I think might be off.
Got off?
Might be swimming in.
You still feel anything though?
I don't feel anything right now.
This line?
Yeah. Oh, please, boat, don't get me, please. It's still tight though. I think it's swimming in. Still feel something on it. Still on there.
Still on there?
I think. It's on there swimming in, because right now, I don't feel shit. Ah, got off. Fuck! I couldn't help it, man. That shit was big.
If you thought it would have snapped, huh?
Yeah. Definitely would snap. Fuck, dude.
What if it was a big ass halibut?
No, I don't think so. Maybe.
Ah.